Hi guys, quick repair job for a neighbour and buddy of mine. A very, very old hammer belonging to his dad. I've just started slightly chiselling out the broken wood in the head. Don't think we're very far from getting it out, just gently. Don't really want to touch the metal at all. And there we go, that's all out, no damage. So what's left is shaping the end, repairing the end, and then obviously wedging the end in the top. So that's all repaired. So next step will be shaping the end. Right, so I've just chopped the dodgy end off with the table saw, only about 4 or 5 mil. You need to keep this. It sort of swirls out here, and that's what's holding the head, the hammer head, from slipping down. So you don't want to cut off too much. Now I just want to shape the end, get it inside, leave space for the wedge, and then hammer a small wedge in there. So it does need to be friction fit, but not too much. And this is a really, really old hammer, so I don't want to hammer the top of it too much to bring it through, which is why I'm using the bench sander. And then I have no choice but to sand it and sort of reveal the wood. But I'm sure we can darken that up afterwards and make it look the same. So yeah, I need to friction fit it, but obviously don't want to go too far and snap the thing as it's so old. And then once we've seen how far we are, I think that's pretty good. Yeah, nearly all the way to the top, just 3 mil left. Now I can go back to the wood. And there we go. There's the mark where we've forced of what needs shaving down. So we're at the surface. Just a bit of shoulder to clean up afterwards. And now we just need to put the wedge in the top to hold it firmly in place. So guys, we have a little bit of sawdust and glue. I'm just about to mix up some proper sawdust and glue paste to go over the top, which I'm going to use mahogany, which will be dark, hopefully similar colour to the shaft. And the shaft, I've just got a tiny little bit of colour on there at the moment, but I'm going to do the same thing, mahogany, sawdust and glue, and just rub that on, hopefully come with a very similar colour, and we'll see what the final thing looks like. So just mixing up the paste, don't forget sawdust and coffee, otherwise things go horribly wrong. Probably shouldn't have said that. I've used this on quite a few videos, works absolutely great. Now, of course, I'm just looking for a colour, really. The texture I can work out later with the, well, not the texture, the smoothness I can work out later once this is dried. But for now, just about getting some into the bottom of this sawdust collection. Pine. This needs to come out like one of those mushy pate. How to explain it, but when it's right, you know. Not so much the sides, but in the middle here, that's exactly what. I don't know what sort of moist pate type stuff. And then putting this on. And essentially wiping it off again. We'll just darken that tint. And then have a little bit of stain that I'm going to sort of dab on to sort of finish it off. Once this is dried and
about the moments we spent. I just want you to be happy. When someone tries to touch your scars, it doesn't seem to cure at all. Nothing's please don't guarantee your joy. But you know I'll say the